In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Zoho books in just 5 minutes. Backing up your data is a crucial part of maintaining any digital system, and Zoho books is no exception. This process will ensure that all your financial information is secured and can be restored if needed. Let's dive right in and get started on this straightforward process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Fire up your web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Zoho Books in your preferred search engine. Once there, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. You'll find this prominently displayed on the homepage. Signing in is necessary to access your financial data and settings. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. Here is where you can see an overview of all your financial dashboards and options. But our focus for this task is on the backup. Therefore, you'll want to direct your attention to the settings. To do this, look for the Settings option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the navigational panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking here will give you access to a variety of customization and configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, we're going to select Developer and Data. This section handles the backend and data management features within Zoho Books, allowing you to control how your data is managed and backed up. Clicking here will bring you to another set of options, narrowing down our focus further. Next, locate the Data Backup option. This is the pivotal area for ensuring that your financial information is regularly saved. By clicking on this option, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage your data backups. Now it's time to perform the actual backup. You'll find a button labeled Backup Data. It's typically bright and easy to spot. Click on this button and Zoho Books will start creating a backup of your financial data. This process might take a little while depending on the size of your data, but rest assured Zoho Books will handle the technical aspect, ensuring your information is securely saved. And just like that, you've backed up your Zoho Books data. This practice is good to do regularly, ensuring that your financial records are always safe. By following these simple steps, you not only protect your data against unforeseen circumstances, but also gain peace of mind knowing that your business's financial health is never at risk. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to check back for more tips on how to efficiently manage and secure your digital systems.